G'day viewers, well, put the other radio and speakers away. I'm going to leave the Milwaukee up here now. I'm going to take that other power board off and plug in my, another one I'm going to make up. And the main breaker I wanted to show is a 16 amp breaker for the air conditioners off that circuit. So I've got another 16 amp breaker here, which came from that this controller. Didn't need it in there anymore. That's going to go there. Power point. Then I go straight to my BAZ. This will plug in a spare outlet here. I just use it like that. Cord come up through here. Yeah, I might look at it. So I put it there like that and that like that. So we'll bolt this wood to here. There's one hole for the cord to go through the breaker, out to the back, to the power point to the back, and come up and go through there. Look a bit ugly, but oh well. Not gonna matter. I'm gonna accumulate some more stuff eventually and do it properly, but it's a good temporary board with a breaker. Anyway, let's get this thing wired up. And a little bit of temporary here. I might even redo this wiring yet. This is just for now. I'm going to replace all this. I want to pop a strainer leaf. But for now, I'm going to run this through here. Pull this out, put it in here. Leave this on here for the welder. That's it. Done. I'll neaten all this up later. This is just a trial run. So we'll just want to see how it goes. When it looks good, I can pull a bit of colour through here. And it trips, we'll put it, the inner one will chip anyway, but yeah, it looks good, so I'll run it and test it. When it's really good and I'm happy with it, I'll neaten it up later on. But that's pretty good there. That's going to be awesome once I finish wiring it up properly. As I said, it'll just plug in here, and that's it. And it's got the 20 amp breaker as backup. As I say, I left that loop in the cable so I could put the clamp meter in it just for test purposes. But yeah, I'm going to neaten it up when I'm finished with it. It's just a test run. But anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.